everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing IPSY. This is my first bag ever, and for those of you who are not familiar with this, which I think a lot of people are familiar with it, this is a subscription box. Basically it's a bag. It is $10 a month and includes 5 samples. It could be skin related or it could be makeup. So let's open mine and see what I received this month. Okay, open up the box. The first item that I see is this honey. Hey honey. I don't know if you can read it. Hey honey. This is a trick and treat active moisturizer cream with honey. This says that it treat your skin and trick your imperfections with color adjusting technology. So this is basically a CC cream. Let's see how it performs. Okay, so this is how it looks like on my skin. It's actually almost basically a perfect match for me. The consistent, it does smells like regular makeup. I don't know if it was supposed to smell like honey, but I'm really happy the way that it blends on my skin. Wow. And I mean, it looks pretty. The next product that I see in the bag is these 2 masks. This is by the brand Supermedic, yeah. This one specifically is for hydration. This says that it's a vital collagen mask, contains collagen with intensely firm and revitalize your energy lacking in the saggy skin, creating an elasticity and resilient complexion. This sounds amazing. I never had tried this brand. I'm gonna give it a try. The next one that I see is this one, and this one is contain vitamin C, derivatives, and vitamin B, and it penetrates deeply in your skin and helps vitalize the lacking and dull skin. So basically put your skin back into life or something. Ultimately creating the bright and translucent and clear complexion. So this sounds like amazing. I don't think they are really for aging control. This is more like a vitamin mask. So this is awesome. I'm gonna be trying this soon. And here's the bag. I love it. It's so pretty. I love the kisses. I guess we're in February. This is the month of love and beauty and all of that. So I guess that's one of the reasons why they decided to make it this way. But this is super pretty. I love the material. It seems like it's gonna last. It doesn't seem like something that is you use it for like 2 or 3 times and it's gone. No, it seems very, very good. Let's open it up and see what we have in here. And the first product that I see here is this IPSY Skin Treat Glow Tonic Exfoliant Toner Lotion Unique. So it has this beautiful little green color butter, and this looks very nice. Let's open it up, and it has a seal. I love when products comes with a seal. It makes me happy. I know they're clean. I know it's completely 100% sanitized. I won't have any issues with them. So I have to open this by poking it up because it was too hard. It doesn't have any strong scent, so that's a plus. And I will be trying this and I will let you know what I think. Maybe my Instagram. Again, please follow me there if you don't yet. The next item that I see here is very bubble wrap. So let's open this out and see what it is about. Okay, so this is a Daisy Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. I don't even know exactly what is this yet, but let's figure it out together. So let's open this up. And it says that it's a vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. This is great. I love that a lot of brands are going cruelty-free and vegan and all of that. It is amazing. I really like that. And this is so hard to get out. Why? So I guess this is a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. And this is how it comes. It feels more like a full-size product. Believe it or not, this will last me like months. So for me it's kind of like a full size basically. Let's see how it looks like. I'm gonna swipe with my finger. Let's do it in my upper arm. Sorry, my upper arm, not this area of my arm. So it's a very pretty color though. Let me try a little bit on my skin and see how it looks. I don't have a brush right now here, and that's funny coming from me because I just got my Jeffree Star brushes. I don't know, I think it's ruined what I already had on. I have to try it again, but what I had before was my Anastasia Beverly Hills and it was pretty. Now I'm not so sure, but I hope that it looks fine. I'm not sure. The next product that I see here is a Mitch and Mia Pressed Pigment eyeshadow. It's in the shade Caramel. In the shade Caramel. I don't know if you can read this. Let's see how it looks. Looks like this. It's a pretty color. I kind of like it. So let's see how it swipes. Oh, that's a very pretty color actually. It is not the shiniest shadow I have, but it's kind of like a good one though. It looks pretty. I like the shade of it. I'm gonna be trying this soon too. And last but not least, this is the last item that I see here, and it seems like it is for my lips, and it seems that it's for one brand that it seems very familiar. I just don't recognize the packaging so much. Okay, so let's see what it is this about. This reminds me of Fenty a lot. Tell me down below, what do you think about that? This packaging reminds me of Fenty. I don't know who is copying who, but it does remind me of Fenty. This is the Veil and Argan lip color in the Bright Desert. What is the shade of this? Lip Bright Desert. So this is a lipstick, and it's a very pretty packaging. Let's see how it does perform. Let me do it. I have things already in this shade, but I would say it's creamy. It's a pretty color. I'm just not impressed by it at all, but I think it's a pretty color. There you have it, guys. This was the bag for February, and I will say I will give this bag out of 10. I will give it around 7. It wasn't the best. It wasn't too bad. I guess I will keep getting it. I definitely like the idea. It's very cheap. It's only $10. And if you don't really know what to buy, this is a good way to increase your collection. You will get a lot of products and a lot of introduction to the world of makeup. And if you love makeup a lot, this is also a good bag, because it also shows you things that are just randomly out there that you might don't even realize that they exist. So I like this bag because it feels like it's a good exposure to yourself, to the makeup world, even if you're already in, or if you are not there yet, just even better. So I really like this bag, and I'm gonna keep unboxing it and showing you what I get. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I have a complete new set of brushes from Jeffree Star. Look at those and the sponges. So this is the complete set. I mean, they sell it individually and you can buy individually brushes too, but this is the complete set. The 7 brushes and the 3 sponges. So okay, so this is the complete set, and this is going to be for one of you.